Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how you can put an image inside an arrow. So for this you need to click on the insert and click on the picture and click on this device and select the picture from your computer. I'll be having this picture. Let it resize. Go to the picture format and then click on the crop and click on the crop to shape and click on the block arrows, right arrow. From this orange arrow you can drag it to increase the length of the arrow, and here you can see that you can increase or decrease the width of arrow. You can increase the size like this one. If you don't need a thin border around the arrow, then go to the picture and click on the page picture border and click on the no outline. Hope this video helpful. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.